In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign support tickets automatically by topic quickly and easily. Whether you're managing a customer service team or handling support tickets yourself, automating this process can save you a ton of time and ensure that the right team member handles the right issues. Now, we've all dealt with the hassle of manually sorting through support tickets, right? Well, here's the good news. You can automate this whole process with just a few simple steps. Stick around, because I'll also give you a special offer on a tool I've been testing for this, and I'm sure it'll help you streamline your support workflow. First things first, you need a system that can categorize and route tickets based on specific topics. The software we'll be using today has an advanced rule-based automation engine that makes this process super simple. All you need to do is set up specific rules for topics, whether it's billing inquiries, technical issues, or product questions. Start by creating your topics. In our software, this can be done in the settings, where you can define categories or use tags for each ticket type. These can be as specific as you want, like shipping issues or account management, to keep everything organized. Once you've set your topics, it's time to create the rules. For example, you might want all tickets with the keyword refund to automatically be assigned to your billing department. With just a couple of clicks, you can set the rule to scan for keywords in the subject line or body of the ticket and assign it to the correct team. Now, let's talk about triggers. These are the conditions under which the software will take action. You can set triggers based on ticket type, urgency, or even customer data like past purchase history. This ensures the tickets get routed exactly where they need to go without any manual input. But the real power of automating your support ticket process comes when you start to combine multiple conditions. For example, you can set up rules that not only categorize tickets by topic, but also prioritize them based on urgency. High priority issues like server outages might get flagged and assigned to your top team members immediately, while less urgent requests can be handled by others in a timely but non-urgent manner. Once your rules are set, the software will work seamlessly behind the scenes, sorting and assigning tickets as they come in. And that means your team can focus on solving the problems instead of figuring out who's handling what. Now, before we wrap up, let me remind you that the software we're using today is available for an exclusive free trial, just for viewers of my channel. You can grab the link in the description below and follow along as you set this up for your own business. This is a no-commitment trial that I'm recommending because I've tested it and know it works, but only for you guys who are watching. To recap, here's the key takeaway from today's video. Automating ticket assignments by topic is an easy way to increase your team's efficiency and ensure the right issues get handled by the right people. The steps are simple. Set your categories, create automation rules, and let the software handle the rest. And don't forget, the free trial I mentioned is linked in the description below, so make sure to grab it while it lasts. Thanks for watching.